Hello everyone! Hey, hi, hello, what am I doing? Anyways, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate Jennie's makeup look from their new Ice Cream music video featuring Selena Gomez. Here is a photo of the look Jennie posted on her Instagram, and I will also show you a full body photo of the look from the music video. This is going to be an easy to follow tutorial. You don't have to be a professional, anyone can recreate this look, and feel free to mix it up and make it your own. As a reminder, always make sure to wash your face before doing your makeup. And also make sure that all your brushes are clean and dry. Today I'm going to be using the Carnival XL Pro palette. I mean, just look at all these beautiful colors, and they are all so pigmented. The first and most important step is to apply sunscreen so that we can make sure our skin is protected from sun damage. As foundation, I am using the Royal Honey Propolis Glow Essence Compact in the shade Natural Beige. This is by a brand called Skin Food and is made in Korea. This concealer is called My Concealer by Innisfree, also made in Korea. To prevent oily looking skin throughout the day, I will use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, of course. For my eyebrows, I'm just going to fill them in with a little bit of the shade Vex from the palette. Using an angled brush will make it easier to shape the outer corners of your eyebrows. Important daily reminder to make sure you're drinking your water so you can stay happy and healthy during these troubling times. And now onto the fun part. I'm going to take a little bit of that same color, Vex, and put it right in the crease of my eyelid. Using an angled brush, I will apply that same color to the lower lash line. For the inner corner of my eyelids, I'm using the shade Pep Talk. Now I'm applying a mixture of Wasted and Orchid to the center of my eyelids. And for the outer corners, I'm using the shade Why Though. Make sure to blend this really well since it is such a contrast to the purple. Lastly, mix a little bit of Orchid and Fair Play so we can really pop those inner corners. The lipstick I'm using is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna in the shade I Quit. I will be topping that lipstick off with a little bit of Plenty of Pout Plumping Lip Gloss by MAC, and as you can see, I absolutely love this lip gloss. I have completely used it up, but I bet I can get one more use out of it. My eyeliner of choice today is Ultra Powerproof Liquid Eyeliner by Misha, another Korean brand. Jennie rocked a very thin and sharp wing for this look, so that is our goal. The mascara I'm using is Ultra Powerproof Mascara, also by Misha. We will only be applying it to the top lashes because in the photo it looks like Jennie does not have any on her bottom lashes, but if you wish to apply to the bottom lashes, please feel free to do so and make it your own. Our last step is to apply highlighter. This is Sky's the Limit by Korean makeup artist Pony Park in collaboration with MAC. And there you have it, the complete look of Jennie from BLACKPINK's new music video, Ice Cream, featuring Selena Gomez. Go check it out!